Hello, in front of me I've got LG K41s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's enter Google app, tap button in the right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, enter voice match and enable this function. Go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that lock screen is enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 2 with snow. Today, there will be snow, with a high of 3 and a low of -2. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -4.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.